What's up guys? We're here in New Zealand, and in this video, we're going to show you our favorite places to visit in the country. So hope you enjoy it. New Zealand is an island nation located in the remote southwestern Pacific Ocean. This geographically diverse country is made up of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island. While the North Island features active geothermal areas, rolling green hills, sandy beaches, and vibrant cities, the South Island boasts a towering mountain range, dramatic fjords, glistening lakes, and vast glaciers. Beyond their distinct landscapes, both of these islands share a deep connection to Maori culture and have gained recognition for their great wines and film locations. In this video, we'll show you 15 of the most beautiful places to visit in New Zealand. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Nestled at the southern tip of the North Island, Wellington is New Zealand's capital city. Characterized by its hilly terrain and lively waterfront, Wellington boasts a compact city centre that's brimming with creativity. A must-visit is Te Papa Tongariro, also known as the Museum of New Zealand. This museum offers immersive insights into the nation's geography, history, and culture. We also really enjoyed Oriental Bay, with its golden sands and relaxed atmosphere. The Mount Victoria Lookout was another one of our favorite places to visit in the city, boasting panoramic vistas of the harbour below. Check out our full Wellington video for more things to do in the city. Lake Taupō is the largest lake in New Zealand and can be found in the center of the North Island. The region's dramatic volcanic landscape is a legacy of the supervolcano that formed the lake. The small town of Taupō sits on the edge of the shores and offers a wide range of coffee shops and beaches that are perfect for lounging. You can also go paddleboarding or explore nearby geothermal wonders. A particular highlight for us was a nearby park called Aoraki, a hidden valley that showcases vibrant silica terraces, geysers, and bubbling mud pools. Te Papakura o Taranaki, formerly known as Egmont National Park, dominates the western landscape of the North Island. Standing at an elevation of 2,518 meters, or 8,261 feet, the dormant Mount Taranaki is the centerpiece of the park. In fact, the volcano is so prominent that it's often visible from many other locations across the North Island. This unique national park is home to a diverse network of hiking trails that wind through lush rainforests, alpine meadows, and breathtaking viewpoints overlooking the iconic volcano. Nestled in the heart of the South Island, Lake Tekapo is known for its beautiful turquoise waters. This unique hue is caused by fine rock flour suspended in the glacial lake. The quaint town of Lake Tekapo serves as the area's main hub, where you can enjoy scenic walks and bike rides. This area is also one of the best spots in the world for stargazing, thanks to its clear skies. And if you visit between mid-November to late December, you'll likely witness the vibrant lupin flowers flanking the lake. Situated on the western coast of the South Island, the small towns of Franz, Josef, and Fox Glacier offer a unique experience. They're home to two impressive glaciers, which are accessible at relatively low altitudes as they descend from the Southern Alps into lush rainforest. Near the town of Fox Glacier, you can see amazing reflections of the surrounding peaks from Lake Matheson on clear days. On the other hand, Franz Josef is known for its helicopter tours and guided ice walks. The heli tour was an unforgettable experience as we accessed the upper reaches of the glaciers. Located on the North Island's east coast, the Coromandel Peninsula features white sand beaches, a rugged coastline, volcanic hills, and lush native forests. This region is famous for its unique natural attractions and cute coastal towns. Hahe is a nice town to base yourself when visiting the peninsula. From the town, you can take a short walk through a lush forest, which is suitable for all fitness levels. This will bring you to the main attraction of the area, Cathedral Cove. This natural arch is one of the most picturesque spots in the country. Other attractions include the Mount Paku summit and the geothermal waters at Hot Water Beach, where you can dig your own little hot tub.
Make sure to rent your shovel before you head down to Hot Water Beach. We rented them from the campsite for like $5. You can also find them at the general store.
Located back on the South Island, Mount Aspiring National Park is a vast and dramatic wilderness characterized by towering peaks, rushing rivers, cascading waterfalls, and ancient beech forests. Spanning over 3,500 square kilometers, or 1,352 square miles, this park has many accessible entry points. For example, you can get here from the town of Glenorchy, as well as the Haast Pass Highway along its northern boundary. The park also offers a wide range of hiking trails, from short and accessible walks to waterfall viewpoints. You can opt for more challenging treks at higher elevations if you have multiple days in the area, such as the famous Rootburn Track. The Bay of Islands is a stunning area, encompassing over 140 different islands scattered across sparkling turquoise water. This zone is a gem of the Northland region and is known for its Māori history, subtropical climate, sheltered bays, and sandy beaches. One of the can't-miss activities is taking a boat tour through the picturesque archipelago. This tour will take you to idyllic natural locations, such as Otahe Bay on Urupukapuka Island. Paihia serves as the most accessible base for exploring the Bay of Islands and offers great tourist facilities, ferry connections, and a relaxed atmosphere.
Hello everyone, we hope you've been enjoying this beautiful landscape so far.
And if you're planning your New Zealand trip, we've made an interactive travel guide which will complement everything you're seeing in this video perfectly. We poured our hearts, hours of research, and 2 months of full-time travel into creating this interactive guide, and it's all available in an easy-to-use app. Think of it as your ultimate road trip companion right there on your phone. It's got everything, the places you can't miss, pre-designed itineraries to save you time, and all the essential links you'll need, making planning a breeze. You can grab it via the QR code on the screen here or the link in the description below the video. Now let's get back to that amazing scenery of New Zealand. Situated in the central zone of the North Island, Rotorua is defined by its remarkable geothermal activity. This is a direct result of its setting within a vast crater surrounding Lake Rotorua. You'll find a wealth of geothermal parks here. We personally loved Waimangu Volcanic Valley, which is the world's youngest geothermal system. Beyond its geological wonders, Rotorua is a great place to experience Maori culture and get a better understanding of their traditions. There are also tons of thrilling outdoor adventure options, such as whitewater rafting on the Kaituna River. Learn more about this interesting place and things to do there in our full Rotorua video. The cute town of Wānaka is centered around a crystal clear lake on the South Island. It sits just to the north of Queenstown, but offers a more relaxed atmosphere than its bustling neighbor. It's known for being surrounded by breathtaking nature and having an array of outdoor activities, including the iconic hike to Roy's Peak. You'll find some of the best panoramic views in all of New Zealand from the top of this trek. But beyond hiking, Wānaka is also a hub for water sports, via ferrata routes, and biking trails. We loved all of the varied scenery along the ride from nearby Lake Hawea. The well-maintained trail meandered alongside lakes and rivers and passed through the quaint Albert town. Located at the top of the South Island, Abel Tasman National Park is home to golden sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush native forests. The park's unique roadless interior means access is primarily via water taxis or by walking in from either end. It offers great opportunities for hiking and kayaking along its sheltered coastline. We explored Abel Tasman both ways, as each offered a different experience and perspective of the Blue Coves. The towns of Kaitariteri and Maraho both serve as excellent bases to explore the park, each offering frequent water taxi services. Located in the southwest corner of the South Island, Fiordland is a remote national park that's renowned for its untouched natural beauty. This giant park boasts lush rainforests, immense lakes, and lots of wildlife. You'll also find towering fjords that have been carved by ancient glaciers. This is actually New Zealand's largest national park, with a total area of 12,607 square kilometers or 4,868 square miles. A highlight is definitely experiencing the majesty of its fjords on a boat tour through the remote Doubtful Sound or the famous Milford Sound. If you're looking to be more active, the park also offers a wealth of hiking trails. Our favorite shorter ones included the Lake Marion Track, the Key Summit Hike, and the Gertrude Saddle Track. Keep in mind that the one to Gertrude Saddle should only be attempted if it's good weather, and you must have a decent level of alpine hiking experience. There are also a variety of multi-day hiking options, which take you deeper into the mountains. Queenstown is tucked on the shores of the stunning Lake Wakatipu and is surrounded by the Remarkables mountain range. Known as the adventure capital of the world, it offers a wide range of adrenaline-pumping activities, from mountain biking to paragliding and bungee jumping. We opted for an adventure on the water with some jet boating. Beyond the adventure, Queenstown boasts a cute downtown core with a vibrant nightlife. There's also a scenic gondola ride, ski hills in the winter, and world-class hiking options in the summer. We can tell you one thing for sure, you won't get bored. Check out our full Queenstown video for more information and fun things to do here. Situated in the center of the North Island, Tongariro National Park is a dramatic volcanic landscape dominated by 3 active volcanoes. This unique dual World Heritage Site showcases volcanic plateaus, emerald lakes, and diverse vegetation. The Tongariro Alpine Crossing is by far the most popular hike in the park. This challenging yet rewarding trek offers unparalleled views of active volcanic craters. It's considered one of the best day hikes in the world, and we couldn't agree more after completing it ourselves. Be sure to check the weather forecast and book a shuttle beforehand, as this is a one-way hike. You can find a link to book the shuttle bus in the description below the video. So the main trails will actually take you right next to all these really beautiful lakes, but it's important you stick to the main tracks because if you get too close to those steam vents, you could actually get burned because they're so hot. Aoraki Mount Cook National Park lies in the heart of the South Island and is made up of snow-capped peaks, expansive glaciers, and turquoise lakes. The majestic Aoraki Mount Cook forms its centerpiece and is New Zealand's highest mountain. It stands tall at an impressive 3,724 meters or 12,218 feet. You can experience some of New Zealand's best hikes in this park. The accessible Hooker Valley track offers views of the iconic mountain as well as Hooker Lake, while the steeper Sealy Tarns track rewards with panoramic vistas of the Hooker Valley from above. Learn about the specific hiking stats and things to know before you go in our full video about the park. Explore more of New Zealand with our dedicated North and South Island videos. These are packed with in-depth information and other incredible destinations we traveled to that didn't make it to our top 15. Also make sure to check out our separate video for the top 10 New Zealand experiences, which showcases our favorite activities in this amazing country. Finally, if you're planning your trip to New Zealand, we recommend checking out our interactive travel guide. Within a mobile app, you'll find more tips, the must-see spots, pre-designed itineraries to save you time, and all the essential links you'll need to plan your road trip. Find a link to this guide, as well as other important links in the description below this video. And don't forget to check out our channel for more New Zealand videos, including region-specific highlights and general experiences of both the North Island and South Island. We'll catch you on the next adventure.